Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you all for coming over to watch my videos. I really do appreciate. In today's video, I am going to be making a native Banga rice. This is made with palm kernel cream. So in Africa, Nigeria precisely, we call it Banga. So I'm going to be introducing my ingredients. Over here I have the dry shrimp, we call it crayfish. It's dried. And I have a crushed tomatoes, bell pepper, onion and scotch bonnet. I have a dry fish. I have what we call mangala. That is the one that we add the taste to the food. I have crayfish, dried blended shrimp, and I have tomato paste. And that is salt, and I have chicken bouillon, and I am going to be using this palm kernel cream. This is what we call Banga, and I'm going to be using the rice, jasmine brown rice. So I'm going to be boiling my palm kernel cream. While I do that, I will be soaking my jasmine brown rice in hot water, and I will allow it to sit until my Banga cream is well cooked. So this is the Banga cream. It is cooking. I added a little bit of water so that everything will be able to dissolve. Allow it to cook very well to remove the freshness taste. This is the pan I'm going to be using because I'm going to be baking the rice. I just added my blended tomato, bell pepper, and scotch bonnet in addition with onion. Adding my fish. This is to add local flavor to it. Mixing everything around. I'm going to be adding my dry shrimp and tomato paste. Now the Banga is cooked. I am pouring it into the pan that I'm going to be using to cook the rice. As you do this, try to be careful because you are going to see some debris, the dirt at the bottom of the pot, and this is the dirt at the bottom of the pot. This is the reason why you boil it, so that those debris will sit at the bottom while you sieve it out. I just added salt. Add salt to your flavor. I'm adding chicken bouillon. I'm not going to add a lot of spices. No curry, no thyme, because this is local rice, Banga rice. So I'm not going to be adding the spices that I usually use to cook. Mix it very well. Now I'm going to be adding I just added my chicken stock. I have a chicken stock that I use, and I'm adding the rice that I am going to be using. That is brown jasmine rice. You can use any rice of your choice. I chose to use this. Mix it together so that everything will fill each other. because once I put it in the oven. I won't have the opportunity to turn it around until it is cooked. Now I'm going to be covering the pan with a foil paper to trap in the heat while it is being cooked. And I'm going to cover it with the cover of the pan. While I do this, I'm going to turn on the oven, heat it up at a 350 Fahrenheit. Then I increase it once it is being tossed into the oven. So I am cooking at a 450 Fahrenheit. Now the rice is ready. This is the way I like it. This is Banga rice. For a long time, I have not eaten this. I have been craving for it, and I think it's time to quench that crave. Now my rice is ready. You can garnish it in any way that you like. I am going to be using the dry mangala fish. Those of you that knows mangala fish, you know it has a unique taste that it adds to your food, and that is the fish. So I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to everyone that comes to watch my video. I really do appreciate. If you are new to this channel, please do not hesitate to give it a full watch, subscribe and share, as you can see different unique food that is being cooked in this channel. So I'm going to say thank you once again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye and have a blessed day.